after such a long time I am on YouTube. I'm so excited, so excited to be here. For those of you who don't know anything about me, haven't seen me anywhere before, my name is Gaelle. I have a page on Instagram called Fard by G, and now I have a YouTube channel called Fard by G as well. I am located in Lebanon, which is in the Middle East, if you don't know where that is. And yeah, so basically I am a cruelty-free beauty blogger, which I hate to call myself that. I am someone who just loves makeup, who's enthusiastic about makeup, and who loves to try new products, and who is obsessed with buying makeup, basically. So yeah, I only buy cruelty-free products, and I sometimes skincare are not cruelty-free because, you know, it's very hard to find in Lebanon good skincare that's cruelty-free and available here, and that's not $1,000,000. So yeah, so basically I make a product twice. I always find an alternative, and everything that I use that is not from a cruelty-free brand is either gifted to me or that's been bought a really long time ago. I haven't bought anything cruelty-free for at least a year and a half. So I know I should throw them out, but you know, I paid so much money, so I'm not gonna throw them out until they smell, stink, or give me an infection. Anyway, um, this page is going to be about tutorials and about challenges mostly. I love doing fun challenges. I've always enjoyed watching such fun challenges on YouTube, so I always wanted to be a part of them, and that's why I am here. And I'm going to be showing you how to do your makeup, tips and tricks, just like anything I know that I can give you. And yeah, I won't be posting reviews as much as I will tutorials and challenges, because I don't really like to review products, because I just feel like there's so many of the same products over and over and over again that, you know, if you want to know about a certain product, it's just there. But if you want to know something, if you want to know my opinion, you're free to always message me, DM me on Instagram, or just leave a comment down below asking me about anything and I will reply. Yes, so I have my Instagram handle in my bio, the link of my Instagram in my bio. And that's it. I'm not available on Twitter, I don't Snapchat, I'm focused on Instagram, and that's it. So less steps for you to follow if you want. So I hope you subscribe to my channel, and I hope you will like my future videos. I know this is not, you know, something to get you to subscribe, but you know, this is just an intro. I wanted people to know who I am. I just don't want you to follow this random girl who's doing the random stuff. So this is just a bit of background. And yes, I'm always active on Instagram. I post 3 times per week. I try at least to post 3 times a week. I'm always on stories. I reply to all DMs, and I follow back so many people. I'm trying to sell myself now. It's a fun page. This is a safe space for everyone. This is somewhere where you can come and have fun and enjoy and relax and unwind from life. So yeah, I hope I see you in my next video, and thank you for being here. Bye!